In this video, I will show you how to add music to your profile on Instagram. So, open Instagram first like this. And right now you should go and click here on your profile. And then click on edit profile. And after that you will see this. Scroll until you find here music, add music to your profile and choose the music that you want. For me, I will, for example, choose this, Leonard of Leonard. Click on it like this and choose the where you want to start and end. Click save. And yeah, that's all. If you're back and we do this like this, we can find our music. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.